What's happening, guys? Looks like we are live now. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome to another episode of Shray TV, baby. How are you? What is happening? Zabur Maruf. How are you, brother? Can you chart Shiba Inu? Buddy, let me take a breath. You know, you're seeing me after 2-3 days, okay? The idea about the video is, when are we going to get this alt season, right? Majority of you hold altcoins, right? This is where you're gonna make the money. Bitcoin, even if it doubles, it's just a double, but none of you are satisfied with a double, right? So yeah, we're all trying to figure out when will be alt season. So there are 2-3 cryptos that I've been tracking, and all of them are giving me a sign somewhere in July. Until then, either your crypto that you hold will go sideways, it'll go up and then it'll dump, it'll go sideways, it'll be stay in a range, right? Or it will keep on going down until it hits its bottom, and probably first week of July, or yeah, first week of end of June or first week of July, where it hits the bottom, right? And then it starts to go up from there. But yeah, let's look at Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin right now? Until here, this is a upside down chart of Bitcoin. Let me correct it. Okay. Until Bitcoin, I don't see a breakout until Bitcoin breaks out from this trend line. You see this trend line? There'll be always a possibility of us going up. That means going down. This is an inverted chart right now. See? Until we break this trend line convincingly, there is a chance that Bitcoin might just one last time would come, and it'll be a quick wick of, I would say, a 5% wick, 5 to 7% wick. Okay, 5 to 7% wick. It's possible, okay, that, you know, just shock everybody. We will see. We'll observe this today or tomorrow. It's going to happen, I feel. If that happens, the wick will be like this. It'll go like this and go back up right away. It'll be a wick that goes back up right away, and then in 2-3 days, I would say, right? Waste some time here, and then you get this reversal back. If there's a big if we break out of this trend line instead, then the reversal is in. Okay, we are reversing from here. If we break out this trend line, that means we are going up. Okay, the moment we come down here, you gotta get ready. The moment we break this line, boy oh boy, man, Bitcoin is gonna be mad in a good way. All right, so that is Bitcoin. Okay, there is a possibility of us having a long wick straight going down, like one shot. It'll be like this. It'll be a stick that goes down to this level. It's possible. Straight shot. This is a 4-hourly chart, so you will see a 4 hours candle that goes to $25,000. That is possible, okay? And if it's going to happen, it's going to happen soon, because we have been consolidating in this range for a while now. Okay, so something's got to happen real quick. And after that, you know, a nice good sized pump in altcoins, a relief rally, you know, for altcoins. But altcoins, again, until July, if your altcoin, there will be, you know, abnormal altcoins which will, you know, 5 or 6 altcoins which will go up. And if you are one of those lucky people whose altcoin is going up, Good luck to you, brother. But are you able to hear me clearly? Are you able to hear? By the way, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all my brothers and their sisters and my friends. Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, today it's a special day, man. You know, my mom's like my friend. And yeah, very special. I always worry, you know, about her health. I feel, you know, someday, yeah, it'll be, yeah. But again, I like to live in the present. So my mom lives with me. So we spend a lot of time together. We talk every day during the tea time while having breakfast. We talk, we laugh a lot, you know. Yeah, we joke a lot. And, you know, she, if she wants to talk, she talks to me about everything. And yeah, we have a very good relationship. Yeah, I love my mom. Everybody does, you know, but like my mom's like my friend. She knows all the secrets. Okay, let's see what is happening with the markets. Okay, a couple of things. There's one crypto I want to specifically show you why I'm saying July, specifically July, because this crypto and Bitcoin Cash, both of them are giving me a signal of July. Okay, July is the month, because you see this, we are in this channel. SLP is in this channel, right? And I feel this channel ends somewhere in July. Like July first week, maybe second week, right, of July. I'm thinking here, hold on, let me make sure from the top. Look at this way, then yeah, it's end of June to July. I would say end of June or first or second week of July. This is where I expect the price to come down, have a nice bounce up, and then come back down and just, you know, mess around here. Final capitulation right here at 0.0. This is the range that I'm looking at. SLP, Smooth Love Potion, right? And see how many days. About 44 days, between 44 to 62 days, between 44 to 62 days of, you know, going up and down, basically going down. The price right now is 0.0217, right? You will see a drop, a total drop, if I would say 50%. But again, very few people will be able to buy here because it's going to be very volatile right here. So I'm gonna buy somewhere around here because it will give an opportunity to, it will spend some time here, a few days. So I'll be able to get, you know, this lower price here. So when it drops to this level, this is when I'm going to get into SLP 0.00158, right? This is when I'm gonna get in, and I'm gonna keep a little bit money. I would say 25% of the cash to buy some here at this level if I'm lucky enough. We will see, because the bounce, you know, the bounce will be pretty aggressive, and it's gonna get very tumultuous. It's gonna be like this, you know, it might get like this before it goes up. Okay, it's gonna get crazy. So if you're lucky, you know, I'm gonna set some buy orders. We'll see. You know, we'll start to put buy orders from here all the way down to this level. That is 0.0011040. Yeah, that would be the level where I'll put buy orders. We'll see. We will see. So that makes the total drop of SLP, Smooth Love Potion. That'll make the total drop to 99.70%. Okay, that's a good drop. Yeah. But from there, I expect it to go up. Okay? Because it would have spent how many days in this channel? Look at this. By that time, it would have spent 428 days. I would just, if you round it 500 days, 500 days is until October. The max I've seen channels that go is for about 525 days. So 522 days is October, right? But I don't think it'll last until then. I think it'll be somewhere in end of June or first or second week of July. This is where we will see the bottom for SLP. Same thing goes with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is not going to go down like this. It's going to go sideways. You know, it'll stay in the channel. It'll go sideways, up and down, up and down. Waste time until I think it'll start moving a lot quicker than SLP. But how is everyone, man? Bunkim, good evening, Shrebai. Can you please have a look at VThor? VThor? This is VThor against Bitcoin. And a lot of people think, okay, this alt season that I'm talking about, there are some coins which are going to do 20x, 30x, 10x. But that doesn't make me, all bullish that, hey, the bull market has returned. No, I expect a huge crash. Huge crash. Most of the altcoin gains will be gone. Zero. All the gains will be returned and they might go one more low. Okay? For altcoins. So I just want to make sure that I'm expecting an alt season in July, August. It'll be magnificent. It'll be amazing. But I am personally going to take profits. And I think it'll be an awesome opportunity to take profits. But I don't think that a bull market is back. We will see those altcoins. Some altcoins are going to go have these magnificent 10x, 20x and give out all the gains back. Okay. And might not go up probably ever. Some altcoins are going to die in this process. When they come down, they are going to die. And some altcoins are going to make, from there, they're going to start their alt season. Alt season, that means, new cycle, right? But I do not think this pump will be start off a bull market. After this pump, I expect a dump. So, yeah, I'll be taking profits. We will see. We will see. VThor. You wanted me to look VThor, right? So, here, bro. Come very close to zero. Okay. See, from here to zero is how much? We go below this, we go zero, right? So we can still dip a little bit more. This is against Bitcoin, okay? This is weekly. Let's do a monthly chart just to make sure. How low are we? We are almost touching, kissing this. Yeah, man. How low can you go? Right. Look at this. So, can we get a kiss to this mark? Yes, it's possible that we might just... Let me look at the VThor dollar chart. This is the only level which we have not reached. We have touched, kissed these levels. Whatever pump's gotta happen, it's gotta happen now, bro. You know, in July, August. If this thing does not pump in July, August, September, I expect a very, very bad month. September is gonna be really, really bad month for crypto. So, yeah, if it's gotta pump, this thing's gotta pump right now. You know, if it wants to dump, it better dump quickly down to this region, and you know, get a nice pump up. Let's see on a weekly, what are we talking about? One point I was in VThor. VThor was the one where I took profit, actually, you know, because I knew VThor was the one gave me an idea that the market was gonna go down. So yeah, I would say this level is possible, man. You know, we could come and kiss this level. That is a drop of, you know, 30, 40% drop is possible. Not saying it will, but it's possible. Just we have not been able to break this, right? Yeah, we need to break this convincingly and go up. If we go up, this would be my range where if we go up, if at least gives us little breathing room. This coin has not given any breathing room to buyers. It's just constantly going down. This was the last chance it gave us, where it pumped a little bit, okay, where we pumped at least 120%, but it's been going down constantly. So if it gives us little relief in July, August, then the relief rally, I would think, would come to this level right here. It's possible we might come to this level, right? This is the level that I'm looking at. If we get a relief rally. You see this? Yeah, this would be the level that I would be taking some profits right here. You know, if we go up, then 0.008 would be the level between, I would say, 0.0075 to 0.011. Okay. Bitcoin by John. Thanks for the $10, bro. Can we look at Cardano? Can we get a good pump? Cardano. Okay. Cardano, I've looked at Cardano before. I think Cardano has reached the bottom and it will start its new cycle, but it'll stay in this range, I would say. Here. It'll stay in this range. Whatever's gotta happen is gotta happen right now, bro. You know, if whatever pump's gonna happen is going to happen right now. I am bullish in 2024. Okay, we will see what happens. Not get overly optimistic until we are in this channel. We can go all the way back to its all-time high and, you know, come very close to the all-time high and dump. You know, I think so. It's possible. If I'm looking at this channel if I look at monthly, then I would have to look at this way. Look at it a monthly, then I would look at this way, and it's possible, you know, $5 is possible if we go according to this plan, this trajectory, then it's possible. But things don't always go according to our plan, right? That's why I'm saying I would take some profits when it comes close to the all-time high. That is, you know, this $2.50, $2.70 level. You know, $5 is just a double from there. I would not mess around. Huge resistance here at $3. You know, like I would say even huge resistance right here too at $1.20. But I think we'll be able to break that. But that's how I see Cardano. In the short term, how much it's gonna pump, bro? You know, you just look at cycles. How should I say? Let's see. Weekly. Not be surprised if we pump to $1.50. Pump to $1.50 is possible, but when the time frame, I have to look, you know, properly. I can't just I'll do a thorough analysis of Cardano. I haven't looked at Cardano. I sold all my Cardano right here. But the fucked up part is I put that money in a different crypto. So that's why I fucked. This was the top of Cardano. I knew this was the top. I sold all my Cardano right here. I bought all my Cardano right here. 7 cents. This is where I bought all my Cardano. It pumped and it dumped. Then I bought more here. And man, this was a great ride for me. Cardano was great ride. But I sold everything in this range. And yeah, the crypto that I put in, that dumped too, because I didn't expect at the time, because that crypto pumped so low. It was Bitcoin Cash, and I was like, we will get a new all-time high. You cannot expect Bitcoin Cash to pump just a little, halfway, not even halfway, and drop. But it was in a different cycle. So yeah, but yeah, I fucked up. I took the profits on this one. I knew the top of Cardano exactly, but I got fucked up. Yeah, even everybody makes mistakes, and this is how you learn, right? But this is what I'm expecting. Again, the highs will come in 2024, 2025 for Cardano. If it pumps to this level, I would take some profits. $1.50. Yeah, it's possible. But I will do a deep dive for you, and maybe tomorrow, or day after, I will do a proper chart for Cardano. Okay, right now, as of now, just looking at it quickly, I would say it's possible that in this alt season that we are expecting, if you're lucky, this might go to $1.50. Okay. Bunkim, how are you, brother? See what it looks like. Have you seen Apple? Apple stock. I'm talking about. See this and see Cardano. See this? Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. But look how low it went, right? So people talk about volatility in crypto. If you go according to this level, then it was this drop, right? Apple dropped to that level. Look at that. Full circle. Kind of arc, right? $4 or $5 is possible, bro. But after that, this could come crashing down all the way down here. Yeah, $4 or $5 is possible. I would not expect anything more than that. Yeah, that is very optimistic, you know. Robert Richards, I'm down 75% on SLP. I bet, brother. When SLP pumps 7x, it will be back to where I started. I understand. That's why I am gonna double down on SLP when it hits the bottom. When SLP hits this level that I'm expecting, 0.001, I'm trying to double my money. You know, I took out money from SLP right here, and I bought another crypto. I got out of SLP right here because I expected, you know, this fall. This thing dropped 20%, and I put my money in ERSDL. ERSDL, from where I put, you know, I bought ERSDL at this price. It went up 20%. So I traded 2-3 times ERSDL. I sold some here, bought some here. You know, I didn't sell here because I was expecting it to you know, keep going up, but it went down. So, well, I recovered, you know, good. Instead of my money going down on SLP, another 20%. Where is SLP? Smooth Love Potion. Damn it. Where did he go? Yeah. Instead of it going down, it, you know, went up. SLP was here. Hold on. Yep. So I am not down. You know, I took my money out right here in SLP. SLP is going to pump tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I expect something like this, a dump to this level. It will come very close to its bottom price. Come very close to the bottom price and bounce from there. So a dump is possible. If it doesn't dump, you know, I wouldn't be shocked either. But I expect a pump at least to this level. At least to this level, I expect a pump. Right, so from here, SLP, that pump would be 18%. So 18 to 20%. So if we dump, if SLP dumps another, I would say another 6 or 7% today or tomorrow, then the total pump from the bottom would be, from here to the top would be, I would say, between 25 to 30% pump in SLP, and then I expect SLP to dump back down in the next few days. Again, it's a risk that I took. SLP was down 99 point some percent, right? When I sold, I would not, you know, if you tell anybody to sell at that price, they'll be like, hey, you're stupid. Yes, I took a risk. I sold at this level when SLP was down 99.35% because I saw an opportunity, another crypto, which was going to pump 100%. So ERSDL pumped when I bought from that level, it pumped almost 114%. So I doubled my account and SLP went down. But yeah, I'm down right now. So, but I'm still in plus, right, compared to SLP. So this thing, when it pumps, I'm going to take some profits. I have certain levels in ERSDL. When ERSDL, I'm waiting for this pump. When that happens, once we reach this level, when that's going to happen, don't know how long we waste time here. We could waste time, I would say, few days. I would say we could waste time until 17th, 18th May, and then we would, see some sort of movement up, whereas SLP would be still going down, I think, during that period. So I would take some profits from here. Whatever profits I get from here, half of them are going to go to SLP. So I'll still be able to buy more SLP because the amount that I put in here is doubled. My portfolio has doubled, right? So I'm gonna buy more SLP. So I'm gonna double down on SLP because when it hits the bottom, if that happens, I'm not always right, but it could, SLP could go down to this region, Robert. I think, this is the region that I'll be looking at SLP. This would be the region 0.00134, but I won't be able to buy, so I won't be greedy. I'll start buying right here at this level. I'll start buying my SLP. So yeah, this region 0.00179, yeah, because it's going to be like this, right? It's going to do something like this. Then final meltdown, but it's going to be very volatile. I don't know if I'll have an opportunity. Maybe here, it might spend a few hours here, maybe 1 hour, but we'll see. But I'll start buying when it drops to this level 0.0175. I'll buy some here when it goes back down here. And I could be wrong, man. I could totally fuck up the whole trade and this might not go down to this level, okay? But I took this chance, and yeah, I'm taking this chance because I'm not out of the market, so I'm not worried because the other crypto is down more than SLP. That is down. When I bought, it was down 99.90%. When ERSDL, when I bought ERSDL, Unfederal Reserve is the coin's name, which was down horribly when I bought this. So it didn't have any room to go down, this coin. Zero room to go down, 99.90%. So I bought this at the bottom, so there's no room to go down. In SLP, there we still have room to go down, but not this one. So that's the reason I bought here. But yep, we'll see. I'm excited for the alt season though. When SLP pumps 7x, it'll be back where it started. Yes. But it is what it is, bro. SLP, I'll tell you where I expect it to spend a lot of time. SLP is going to spend a lot of time right here between 0.02 to 0.03 level. In this area, it's going to spend a lot of time. In a very little time, it'll spend, excuse me, right here. I mean, the wick would just go for, I would say, 15 minutes if we are lucky. That's what I expect. I don't expect it to spend a lot of time here, 0.05, 0.07. And yeah, I expect it to go like this, It's going to be very aggressive when it goes up, like that. And a wick could go up like that. And it will spend a lot of time here before we go down. We go down, SLP comes back down again. Okay, that's what I expect. And I could be wrong. It could go up from here, but I'll be taking a lot of profit right here. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't trust this market. I don't trust this market. This is where I'm taking profits. I do expect SLP to reach one more low, and the fate of SLP will be decided right here. That, you know, if the coin or the company dies, or are we gonna get a new cycle that goes up, reaches $1. Okay, that's how I see it. And again, I could be wrong, but I will be taking profits between 3 cents to 5 cents, 3 to 7 cents. I'll be taking profits, and I'll be happy, because if I buy here a lot here, ride it up 20x. So even if I might put 100, if I'm able to do that, that is 20x, from there. When SLP pumps 7x. Okay. Let's look at something else. What is pumping right now? SPA. Yeah, we'll see a lot of double digits, man, soon. A lot of green is coming. We'll get this reversal. A lot of double digits. Everyone will start to feel good about their coin, and then it'll dump. Until July, end of June, July, many altcoins are going to dump. But Bitcoin, I'm bullish. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. July, August, we will get this alt season that we've been waiting. Looks like SPA is pumping. I like this chart, actually. You know what? I like this chart. Used to look at the triangle from the top like that, but I've noticed the triangles get extended sometimes, and they start from here. It's so messed up. That's why I've been looking at both, because what happens is this triangle ends here, ends right here, and it gets it still is not able to get out of this triangle. It goes up and then comes back down. It's like, why is this happening like that? But then it's waiting for this one, huge resistance that is coming down from, it's from here. So yeah, we'll see, man. What is this coin? SPA is SPRAX, right? That's pumping, right? This is the one. SPA, right? Yeah, that's the one. 0.0086. Yeah, that's not a pump, man. I wouldn't call it a pump. This possibly can dump until July. It could dump, make another lower low. It could possibly go to 0.00293. that would be the low for this coin, and then it'll start its new cycle. But I think it's gonna make its low here. We'll see. July. Any sort of pump I would expect after that. If it pumps, you know, I would think it would pump to this level and then correct back again later. At some point, once it dumps to this level, I would expect a pump to 0.032 to, you know, the wick could go to 0.0456, okay? So from this level, if it dumps to this level, a pump, you know, between 8 to 10x pump is possible. Later on, okay, not now. I expect a dump of 50 to 60% dump is possible for SPA. 50 to 60%. Yep. I don't think it's ready right now. Not ready. Kava. This coin was so popular, Kava. Personally think it would waste a lot of time once it reaches this level. It's going to waste a lot of time once it reaches this level. Possible it reaches this level pretty quickly, but after that it'll be a nightmare to cross this level. When that happens, you know, it's gonna just keep on wasting time here like crazy before going up, make a new high. I do think it's going to waste a lot of time here. Somewhere around $3 Kava. Going to waste a lot of time. I would take some profits between $3 to $3.80, $4. Yeah, I would think $3.30, $3.20 would be the level. It could go easily, but after that it'll be very difficult for it to cross that. Yeah, it could just jerk around for a year in that range, up and down, up and down, up and down, right? But that's how I think Kava will play out. Because you gotta understand, if Bitcoin needs to go up, then it will suck all the liquidity. You know, a lot of people are going to get stuck in, for example, Kava. When the Kava pumps to this level, $3.16, a lot of new people will come into this coin. They'll be like, hey man, Altseason, right? And they will just suck the liquidity out of these altcoins. They are pumping these altcoins because people like to chase green candles. What's going to happen? A lot of people are afraid right now, so they're out, you know, whatever little money they have taken it out, right? And when they see things pumping, your friends will start calling you, everybody, you know, around you will be excited, and they'll pump it, and a lot of people will get into the coin right here thinking, oh man, new bull run in this region, right? And they will dump, and they will be stuck in this coin for, you know, a long time. But yeah, many coins will be like that. The real bull run, I would say 2024, 2025. You know, we'll see where Bitcoin, what Bitcoin does. Even if Bitcoin does this, I expect there are two ways that I expect Bitcoin to act, right? One, I'll show you how it goes up, right? Where it just keeps on going up to this level, makes a new all-time high this year, right? Just keeps on going up like that with small minuscule dumps, goes to $72,000 and dumps back down to probably $40,000. 40, yeah, dumps to between $40,000, I would say. Massive dump. Waste some time here before it starts its run again a little higher to $100,000, 100 to 120. This is one way of looking at it, right? The second way I look at the bearish perspective that I have for Bitcoin is very bad. The bearish perspective is very bad, where Bitcoin never makes a new all-time high. We go to probably $24,000, and then here we go to $24,000, right? And then we go make another higher high, probably between $33,000 to $35,000, and then crash back down to this level right here to $17,000, right? And that's the thing. I will get very careful when Bitcoin reaches between $33,000 to $35,000. This is where I'll be very, very careful, because it hits my Fibonacci level target. Bitcoin hits between, I would say when Bitcoin hits this fib is very important for me. That is $33,000. It could go a little higher than that. So 35, between 33 to 35 is a fib level, which is very critical for me. Very critical, because if it's going to crash, it's going to crash from there. So how much time we spend there, are we going to get this bullish cycle that I'm talking about, where Bitcoin goes and makes a new all-time high to between $72,000 to $75,000, or we get this fucked up where Bitcoin goes back to $16,000, almost $17,000, right? And then gradually sluggish up and down like that, and then it goes back up somewhere in 2024, 2025, creates a channel like the one that I'm talking about, creates a channel like Cardano. Something like this, right? We'll have to see, as Bitcoin will tell us what it's going to do, as we progress, come closer to the cycle. But I'm looking at 2-3 other factors which tells me that we will keep on going up to it's between $72,000 to $75,000. Yeah, next level up, $35,000. From there, again, I'll get very cautious during that level. But I'm looking at my altcoins, man. I'll be all into a few of the altcoins that I'm looking at. Very bullish on altcoins like Bitcoin Cash, SLP. After July, I'll be very bullish on those coins. Veracity. question is, will it come to this level to kiss or not? Or it's done? That's the only reason I'm worried about this, because it hasn't come to this level, and you see what kind of channel it is. Can we come down here and give a little kiss? A little peck to 0.001. Yes, it's possible. Yeah, a little peck to that level is possible. Like that, and then it starts its cycle. Okay. This level is, again, very critical level, 0.00145. Critical level. We'll see. Not being able to pass this resistance. See? And I'm bearish until July. I'm bearish, and this points towards July. Right, so it could possibly drop. Almost 65 to 70%. Sorry about the bad news, bro. You know, I'm not the bearer of bad news. I just tell you, you know, what I see. And I could be wrong. QNT finished. I haven't seen it do much lately. QNT. I'm trying to find coins right now which are going to pump. I just want a double, man. All I want is a double. Not being able to break this. So will we come and kiss this channel? Who knows? Like this, squeeze it. If I squeeze the channel, ignore the wick, then looks like we are coming close to the channel. And if you break this, it's finished, bro. You cannot break this channel. I mean, you can practically break this channel. But then what it means is, if you break this channel, that means it's gonna go back down, you know, fuck around, waste some time here before you get a new high for QNT. That'll be in 2024, 2025. If it wants to keep on going higher, right, then QNT has to stop at this channel. You know, it could scare you. Come out and have a wick. to this level, $68, maybe. It's possible, just to scare you. Because if we extend this channel, right, see. If we extend this channel, then it's possible that we might get $68, $70 for QNT. Comes down to this level like that for a retest, and then maybe $50, and then goes up, right? We'll see. So we will know until end of June, July. I'm bearish for altcoins. For Bitcoin, I'm bullish. But for altcoins, I'm bearish until end of June. I'm bearish. So what happens after that? If by end of June, first week of July, we will see the bottom in majority altcoins. Local bottom. My focus will be on Bitcoin Cash because I don't know about any other coins, but I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin Cash. Once it gets out of the zone, the only coin that I'll be focusing on, once we pump in this July-August season, after that there will be a massive dump in crypto. Once that massive dump is over, which crypto I'll be focused on will be Bitcoin Cash. Because after that, I don't know about any other coin, but what I feel and I know is Bitcoin Cash will have a magnificent cycle from there. Once this dump is over, first we need to get this pump that we're talking about. I'm talking about way ahead of the timeline. After the July-August pump, I expect a dump. Once it dumps, after that, I am not sure as much as I'm sure about Bitcoin Cash. That Bitcoin Cash is going to get a phenomenal cycle, right? So, because if I'm not sure about other coins, why would I be in it? Because some coins are going to die, I feel. So, I'll be heavily focused on Bitcoin Cash when that happens. Once we get this pump and then dump, heavily focused on Bitcoin Cash because I expect one of the most biggest massive season. That's why I'm bullish on altcoins, because if Bitcoin Cash is not the only crypto that it's going to pump, right? So I do expect the whole market to pump. Yep. But the ratios, we go to 20 in Bitcoin Cash, almost 20. This is where I would take profits, and it's going to be magnificent, that journey, So I'm going to take advantage, man. I've worked so hard on these charts. So yeah. MX Vision, is Q&A finished? Oh wow, bearish times. Well, not now. I am bullish. I'm bullish until June. End of June, first week of July, I'm bearish. After that, I'm really, really bullish on July and August. We will get this magnificent alt season. There will be cryptos which are going to 20x, 30x, 50x. Maybe some cryptos will probably 100x during that period, right? In just 2 months, July, August. It's going to be, I think it's going to be magnificent. So I'm going to take advantage of that season, get some capital, accumulate some capital, wait for the dip. It's going to dump after that. September is going to be a bad month, I think, and after that, yeah, we will see. But once that dump is over, man, there'll be time to accumulate. So I'm gonna, the goal is to get as much capital as possible in this pump, in this July, August pump. So that's why I'm focused right now. If God helps me, my goal is to just double my portfolio. Just double. I'll be happy with the double right now. Because until June, everything's going to go down. Like majority coins are going to go down. So during that period, if I'm able to double my portfolio and then go buy things at the bottom in end of June, July, oh my God, man, it'll be a win-win. So I'm working, I'm giving all the details to you guys, right? But yeah, but there are 5 or 6 charts that I did on Patreon recently. They were all bearish. All altcoins were bearish. Okay. So I do expect a big dump until June, end of June. Any pumps that I get, I'm taking profits. Certain cryptos that I have, that I put in money. So if they pump, I'm taking profits, right? And getting back somewhere around end of June, July. Big way. Like, all chips like go all in. Again, guys, nothing on the channel is financial advice, just my opinion. This is like my general, what I do for trading. Yep. How was Mother's Day for you? I've been talking a lot today. What you been up to? Say something, man. I need to relax a little bit. Let's do ACH. What is ACH up to? This was the top for ACH. I told my Patreons this was the top for ACH. I would take crazy profits right here. So if you're on my Patreon, Alchemy Pay. See, from our target, how much did we go down? Almost 60% from our target. It pumped how much from the bottom? Almost 550% pump. Yeah. People who took profit were winners right here. Dropped 60%, man. Could buy double. And it's going to drop more. Oh, winners. Just for fun, could we chart Marathon Digital Holdings? What is Marathon? What's the ticker symbol for it, bro? Not coming up. What are you talking about? MX Vision? Okay, so BTC is a critical level right now that we will know today or tomorrow what happens. For hourly, if we break this, then Bitcoin is going up. Okay, on a 4 hourly, we are at a very critical level right now. Bitcoin is deciding right now where it's gonna go. Okay, so if we are able to break this convincingly and go above this level, 27,600, I'm sorry, 27,800. If we break this, see, every time we're not able to break this resistance level, right? So there is a still possibility. What I'm trying to say is, if we are not able to break this convincingly today, then you might see a wick that goes to $25,000, like this, straight down nosedive to $25,000. Okay. Again, next few hours we'll know. It's a 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle. You might close at $25,000, and you get another candle. Let's just say this candle is red. Okay, I'll do a massive red candle right here, and the next massive candle would be a green candle that goes up like that. The next 4-hourly candle would be something like this. So I expect something like this. If Bitcoin is not able to cross this, if we are going to go up, then Bitcoin has to do it right now in next, I would say 8 hours. 8 hours maximum. I would say 4 hours. But if Bitcoin is going to go up, then it has to go print a massive dildo like that up. A green candle like that. A massive one, convincingly. Okay? So then I'm bullish. Okay? If we are able to do that, then I'm bullish. Then we are going to, next stop will be $30,000, have some sort of correction, and then go up to $35,000. Okay? But we will know. We will know today. It's called Mara. Okay. Many YouTubers calling for bearish action. Okay. Well, I don't know about anybody else, bro, but you know, I'm just saying I don't have the time to look at other people's content, right? I'm just saying what I see. For me, this is a very important channel, right? That we are still in this channel, I would say. On a 4-hourly, on a daily. If you look on a daily, we are still in this channel. So until we are above this, I am bullish. You know, again, if we get this candle, we get this red candle, you know, the 25, I would still not be bearish. It'll be quick. A quick candle would go to you know, this range, $25,000, and we go back up right away. Okay, be a red candle like that, and we go back up the next day. A nice green candle. Right, that's what I expect. If we do something crazy right now, that's the craziness I expect, and it's about time. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, I think, in the next 4 to 6 hours. Or we'll be done in next 4 to 6 hours. We'll know if we print a big candle up, a green candle going up right there. Nice green candle. Get another green candle. Like that. Have a red candle halfway. Before we go up. something like this. Okay. Regardless, this pattern is going to happen, but are we going to get this? That's the concern. That are we going to get this at $25,000 wick? Are we going to get this or not? Red candle. It'll be in the next few hours. It has to happen either tonight or tomorrow. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen right now. We don't have time left. Bitcoin by John, Straight TV we trust. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, I am bullish. Altcoins only June, July. You know, that's it, man. End of June, first week of July, I get very, very bullish. Crazy bullish on altcoins. Crazy bullish. But until then, there are many altcoins. They don't look good. Many altcoins are gonna get fucked. Some altcoins are 80%. Some altcoins, 40%. There'll be very few altcoins which will be going sideways. Like Bitcoin Cash is the one that I don't think is gonna lose much. It's going to go up, I would say 5 or 6% up, and then start dropping. But it's not gonna lose that much compared to other coins. There are many coins which are going to get like that's going to happen to altcoins. They're going to tap. They will be tapped hard until June. But yeah, man, in this devastation, I'm trying to find a little gem which is going to make me a little money. I'll be happy with just a double. That's what I want. And if you're able to do that, man, it'll be amazing. I can freaking, if I play it right, then I'll be able to get out of the market in probably August. I think, is it possible? It is possible, but we will see. A lot writing. I don't think I'll be able to get out in August, but certain, portfolio, if it reaches a certain amount, it's gonna be a good stress-free life after that. So yeah, man, July, August, it'll be amazing, but you gotta keep it hush. Yeah, keep it hush. So I'm glad that sometimes I feel my channel's not big, because if it gets bigger and all the predictions starts to come true, then all my trading will get fucked up, because then the market makers have eyes on your channel, right? Because I think the bigger your channel is, your prediction starts to get fucked up. I feel that way, because market makers, the algorithms, they're so advanced. The AI system, they are so advanced. The market makers use AI systems. AI is not a new thing right now. Everyone's talking about AI. AI is not new. Market makers have access to AI since years, right? So all these predictions that I'm able to do is because it's historical, right? I wouldn't be able to do predictions if it was not on AI. The whole market, I feel, is on AI. So that's the reason I'm able to do this. And they can make tweaks, according to what the AI looks out for. The social media score looks at YouTube, looks at everything, Twitter, sentiment, market sentiment, everything. So they have all the cards. And we don't. So yeah. But again, if you win against them, man, that's a win. That's a solid win. You should really cherish. If you make anyone who becomes the multi-millionaire out of this market, that means you are, amazing. Yeah, you have to pat your back, man, for that. I think, yeah, and we will. We'll have a good July, August, man. But not many people will be able to take profits because, again, greed's going to set in and they will not take profits. Yep, but I'm not going to be one of them. I'll be taking maximum profits, my gains in July, August. September, bad month. I expect a bad month September. But it's been more than an hour 20 minutes, guys. Okay, hopefully you will see me tomorrow. Okay, I will see you. It's almost 9 o'clock. right here in the United States. Have a good night, good morning. I hope you had a good Mother's Day. You're had a good dinner with mommy. Without mommy, without our mom, we are nobody. Okay? Lots of love to your mom. Okay, take care. Bye.